German with Nick AI has just been released, and today I'm going to cover the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're new to this software, stick around until the end, because there are some features here that might just blow you away. First off, let me tell you, this tool is designed to bridge language gaps by making it easier than ever to learn German. Whether you're starting from scratch or want to refine your skills, this AI software offers a powerful way to get fluent faster than traditional methods. But before we get into the details, you can actually try out German with Nick AI completely free. Just check out the first link in the description below for access. So, what makes this AI tool stand out? One of the biggest selling points is its conversational focus. Instead of traditional memorization techniques, German with Nick uses dynamic conversations to improve your understanding of real-life situations. The AI adjusts based on your progress, making each lesson unique to your needs. This means no more wasting time on content you already know, or repeating things that don't apply to your skill level. Another key feature is the pronunciation tool. Many language learning apps overlook pronunciation, but German with Nick AI pays close attention to this, helping you sound like a native speaker much sooner. The software listens to your speech and offers instant feedback on how to improve your pronunciation, which is crucial if you're aiming to speak confidently. The integration of grammar is also seamless. Often, learning grammar feels like a drag, but German with Nick incorporates it naturally through context in conversations. You don't feel like you're studying grammar rules separately. Instead, you learn them as you use them, and this makes the whole process feel a lot more intuitive. Next, let's talk about the personal tutor experience. German with Nick AI creates a personalized learning plan based on your goals. Whether you're preparing for travel, business, or academic purposes, the AI tailors your learning journey accordingly. You don't have to guess what lessons to prioritize or how to structure your study sessions. It's all done for you. What really impressed me is the integration of cultural lessons. Language learning is about more than just grammar and vocabulary. It's about understanding the culture behind the language. German with Nick does a great job of incorporating cultural insights into its lessons. It's not just about teaching new words. It's about helping you understand how those words are used in everyday life in Germany. If you're a beginner, you'll love the way this software eases you into the learning process. The intuitive interface and user-friendly design make it easy to follow along, even if you've never used a language learning tool before. For advanced users, there are plenty of challenges to keep you engaged, so you're always progressing and never feeling like you've hit a plateau. Finally, let's talk about the speed of progress. I've tried countless language learning apps, and I've never seen anything as quick as this. The AI adapts so fast to your progress that it constantly pushes you to new levels. Whether you want to learn conversational German or need to polish your writing skills, you'll notice improvements quicker than with other apps. Remember, if you want to dive in yourself, you can try German with Nick AI completely free through the first link in the description. And before I wrap up, if you're someone who loves exploring the best AI tools for personal and professional growth, I've tested thousands of them, and I've got my recommendations listed in the description below. You won't want to miss these. Don't forget to try it out for free and see how fast you can start learning German.